awaken to my mission. I call and gather others, bursting with pride and joy within, embracing the heart of my mentor, spreading the law to one and all. I sing and dance on a song of life and open new horizon, embracing